Hi, I'm Dr. Rob Silverman, Amazon best-selling author of Inside Out Health and ACA Sports Council Chiropractor of the year 2015. Well, guess what? The number one consumed oil by a large margin is soybean oil. It's a vegetable oil, and vegetable oils are not vegetable. They're actually processed from seeds. Vegetable oils, so you know, are all damaging to overall health. Number one consumption of vegetable oil, once again, soybean. Number two, canola. Number three, corn. Olive oil, probably the healthiest oil on the market, was consumed by about 6% of the population. So obviously we need to make better choices in the oils that we consume. In addition, soybean oil was shown to lead to increases in obesity, diabetes, insulin resistance, and fatty liver. Finally, also affecting negatively neurological conditions like Alzheimer's disease, anxiety, and depression. So before you cook at home, please use a good oil. So my suggestions clearly would be avocado oil, coconut oil, and olive oil. Avoid the vegetable oils. When you go into a restaurant, ask what they cook with. You will find that they're using soybean and canola oil mostly. Dr. Rob, always yours in health.